Hey, it's Prison Jim again, and I'm gonna make something wild for you. I'm gonna make Laffy Taffy, prison style. In prison, I've learned so many tips and tricks. Like I learned how to make this out of toilet paper. And I also learned how to make Laffy Taffy, a great way to make money here in the clink. Grab a vessel and some coffee creamer. Dump that in there. At commissary, you can also get flavored juice packets. I'm putting that inside. And you just need a little bit of water. Such a little bit. You need to mix that water in there. Time to glove up. Yeah. Start kneading it. You can knead it in more creamer too to get it nice and thick. Back and forth. You need to keep squeezing that. Squeeze it hard, hard, hard. It's gonna take 20 minutes of squeezing. Feeling a lot of anger towards someone? Squeeze. Are you upset about what that person did to you yesterday? Squeeze. Are you stressed that parole fell through? Squeeze. Gloves are off. Work that taffy now. Pull that taffy. We need a nice taffy consistency. See that? It's getting good. You know what I think is the best thing about Laffy Taffy? I love the jokes. Like, why was the broom late? It overswept. Yeah. How do you organize a space party? Plan it. I was able to work a shift on kitchen duty, and I got to take this. Shh, don't tell anybody. I got this saran wrap. I need that for my taffy. Form it into a log shape. Wrap it up. Tighten it up. I'll be able to get some good stuff with this taffy. Yeah. And of course, I saved a little bit for myself. Prison Laffy Taffy. Delicious. Hey, Tony, how do you cut the ocean in half?
Hello, Prison Joe.
With a seal!